Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make this hearty and comforting chicken tortilla soup. This recipe is inspired by an online grocery store I sometimes shop at that I want to share with you. So I worked with a company called Wellio to bring you this video. Wellio is the first online grocery store organized by meals and not products. When you visit their website, they have thousands of healthy, ready-to-cook meals to make cooking at home easy. I'll leave their website link below. When you select a meal, your shopping list is generated automatically to make your life easy. You can deselect items you already have at home and only order the ones you need to help you save money and avoid food waste. Ordering only takes 2 minutes, and I have a promo code called Claudia to help you save 40% on your entire order with free delivery. Plus, every week they have meals with items on sale to help you save money. If you order your groceries by 2 p.m., you get same-day delivery. My groceries arrived fresh and tasty, and delivery was fast and seamless, which was awesome. That is all I have to say. Now let's get started and make this recipe. Okay guys, so I have my soup pot heated over medium heat, and into that I am adding some olive oil. Once the oil is heated, add some minced onions and saute until the onions turn translucent. Next, we're adding minced garlic. Then cook the garlic until it gets fragrant. Be careful not to burn your garlic. And in this bowl, I have a jalapeno that I deseeded and chopped. Toss that right in. We're also adding chopped green pepper. Then it's time to start building flavor. So I have some cumin, chili powder, and cayenne pepper going in. Go ahead and cook these for about 2 minutes to let their beautiful flavors come together. And you see all that browning on the bottom of the pan? That is amazing flavor. We're going to deglaze that with some white wine. The wine is going to add a ton of flavor. Mix it in and let the alcohol cook for about 2 minutes. Then we're going to add some chicken. So I went ahead and cooked some chicken breasts and I shredded them with 2 forks. It's very easy. Toss that right in. Next, we're adding some tomatoes. I used a combination of diced tomatoes and tomato puree. I'm also adding a little bit of brown sugar to cut the acidity of the tomatoes and give it a nice taste. Then we're adding chicken broth. I have some sweet corn going in. Then we're going to season with salt and pepper. Go ahead and mix everything together. Then when this comes to a simmer, we're going to place the lid on and let it cook on medium heat for an hour, making sure you stir periodically so it doesn't burn. Okay guys? The soup has cooked for exactly 1 hour. It smells so good. The chicken is nice and tender and the soup is packed with flavor. You can serve with tortilla chips. They pair so well together. If you guys want the ingredients and measurements, check out the description box. I have everything there. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me today. If you try this recipe, please send me photos on Instagram and Facebook. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell to get notified for new videos. I'll see you soon. Bye.